Guys, I wanted to show you this rechargeable Gua Sha that I received from the company. I have received a bunch of these, and this one's really nice. I like this one for a lot of different reasons. First, probably the biggest reason I like it is the size. So it does fit a good amount of my face and along my jawline, and then even down my neck, which I really like. You can use these for all different reasons. Maybe for like beauty reasons to help like lift and restore your face. I like it also for muscle reasons. It does help like loosen my tight muscles. And then you can use it also, people use it for lymphatic drainage, which you could read all about the benefits of something like that. It does come with like a manual. So if you don't know how to like do the massage that people like to do with these, it will give you instructions for like a face one, like how to kind of like try to lift up your skin. People use it on their body as well, which I think is really nice. Again, like that lymphatic drainage you can use on your body. This one does have red light, which I definitely look for. So it has the red light therapy as well as cold and hot. So this will get hot, not like, burn yourself hot. Like I would let my kid use it, but it does heat up and it doesn't work until you put it against your skin. What's nice about the heat, besides like relaxing your muscles, which does help with like your lines, I like it also for like in my jaw area and my neck, like that feels so good to me, like getting those knots out. It really, whew. But it also works for like putting on serums. So, you spend a lot of money on your serums. This will help. You could put the serum on and then use this, and the heat will help absorb that into your skin, like opens up the pores. Then you could put it on the cold one or the blue light, and that's going to actually like help with the puffiness. That's what I use it for. And so it gets nice and cold, which feels good. So you have the heat, the cold, the red light therapy. So lots of different options on this one, which is really cool. There's different vibration, which helps like massage your skin. So I just wanted to show you really quickly. I really like the heat personally. And there's a different light. So you could look at why you use the different lights for different reasons. But when you go in, it just really does help with my skin, and it just like automatically kind of pulls it up. It's really crazy. I try to use it at night. You can use it for like 30 minutes. About that with the red light. I think that, there's lots of benefits to the red light for your skin. You could read all about that. So this is just what I do. Really simple. Because this is like a stainless steel material, you can clean it really easy with like an alcohol swab, and that keeps it nice and clean. So, just like because of the angles on it, you really can get in there and get underneath the eyes, which helps with like, for me, it helps with like the puffiness or sinus issues. So lots of benefits to using something like this. Comes in this really beautiful case, so if you do want to give this as a gift, I think this is like a really nice way to present it with the gift as well as the cord. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely go ahead and pick this one up.